Hi, it's Renee with Harvest Hill Cottage. Today we're updating an old painting with a sweet story. And we're gonna stage my blank dining room wall with the painting along with some other thrifted finds. So stick with me till the end. Also, today is extra special because it's actually a collaboration with Zeb and Jami of Jami Vintage, along with some other creative friends of mine. And so I'll post the playlist in the description box below. You'll definitely want to check that out so you can watch all the creative talent that's part of this collaboration. This video is also part of a series that we're doing as we decorate our new home room by room, cottage style. And here's our dining room before we started decorating. This is what it's looking like now. And I have this blank wall to fill, and I've got some really special artwork that I'm gonna work on today. This was my grandmother's, and I love it, but it needs to be modernized. So this painting hung in my grandmother's living room as far back as I can remember. My grandparents married in 1939, and the painting was an anniversary gift from my grandfather to my grandmother in the mid-1940s. I was given the painting in the 90s after my grandmother passed away. Sadly, it's been in storage just waiting for its day to shine, and that day is today. The matte of the painting is pretty worn and discolored, so I used some paint to freshen it up. I used a custom blend from Fusion Mineral Paint, and I'll post information in the description box below. I got busy deconstructing the painting. First, I removed the wire hanger on one side. Then I used an X-Acto knife to take the paper backing off. I removed that carefully because I wanted to preserve some of the writing on the back. Then just some needle nose pliers to pull out the brads and remove the backing. I don't know why I was a little nervous about pulling it out, so I hesitated for a moment there. I could not remove the painting from the mat, so I used the playing card trick instead of painter's tape. And there it is. I am loving it. I did try it back in the original frame as is, and I did not like the brassy gold, so I decided to do a paint wash with a creamy white just to knock back some of that yellow gold, brassy gold, and it also covered up some of the scratches and nicks that had taken place over the years. A wash really helps to soften and mute your color, so just paint it on. It's 50-50 water to paint, and then just wipe it back. We used our electric brad nailer to reattach the cardboard backing. And then I just used some dust cover paper with some double-sided tape for a new backing. And then we just reattached some of the writing as well as the name of the painting onto the back. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the new look. How about you? Do you have any old artwork that needs updating? I'm excited to go thrifting now and look at artwork with a new outlook. We hung the painting right on the center of the wall as we wanted that to be the focal point. We thrifted these vintage brass sconces and decided to hang those sort of staggered on the right side of the painting. And then this sweet mirror we also thrifted. I think it was like $5 at the Goodwill. We put the mirror on the left side of the painting, and I was glad to have another mirror in the room because it's a very small dining room, so the mirrors really helped to open up the space. And there's the wall all staged. I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you like what you see here, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY. Thanks a lot, and God bless.